Hello, little ones. Are you ready for an adventure? I wonder who's in the jungle today. Let's take a peek and see. Listen, what's that sound? Roar! It's a big, loud roar. Who do you think that is? It's the king of the jungle. Look, it's a lion. He's got a big, fluffy mane and a super loud voice. Can you roar like a lion with me? Ready? Roar! Wow, you're so loud. That's one amazing animal. Wait, I see stripes. Orange and black stripes, hiding in the tall grass. It's a tiger. Grrr. Tigers are super strong and love to prowl around. Let's make a tiger face and say grrr. Good job. So we have a lion and a tiger. That's two incredible jungle cats. Hee 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 hee. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. What's that sound swinging from the trees? It's a silly monkey. Look at him go, swinging from branch to branch. Monkeys love to play and eat bananas. Can you swing your arms and make a monkey sound? Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Hee hee. So we have one lion, one tiger, and one monkey. That makes 3 funny friends. Whoa! Look way, way, way up high. Who has a neck that long? It's a giraffe. She's munching on the leaves from the tallest trees. Hello up there, Mrs. Giraffe. She is so graceful and tall. Let's count our animals now. A lion, a tiger, a monkey, and a giraffe. That's 4 fantastic animals. Splash! What was that big splash in the water? And what's that giant yawn? Yawn! It's a hippo! He's keeping cool in the river. Hippos love the water and can open their mouths super wide. Can you open your mouth really, really wide like a hippo? Ah! Awesome! Let's add him to our count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5. 5 awesome animals in the jungle. Hiss! What's that slithering on the ground? Hiss! It's a slithery, slippery snake. Look at him wiggle and jiggle. Some snakes can climb trees, and others like to hide under rocks. Can you wiggle your finger like a snake and say hiss, 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 soupy? Wow! What an amazing day in the jungle. We saw so many animals. Let's count them all. One last time together. Are you ready? We saw one mighty lion roar, 2 stripy tigers, 3 silly monkeys, ooh, ah, 4 tall giraffes, munch, munch, 5 happy hippos, splash, splash, and 6 slithery snakes, hiss. We counted 6 amazing animals today. You guys are the best jungle explorers ever. Thanks for coming on this adventure with me. See you next time. Bye-bye.